Having launched its new generation mid-size Canyon in 2023, GMC has made no significant changes to most of the lineup. However, it has added a maximum capability AEV edition model to its off-road AT4X trim. The AEV edition features exclusive 17-inch AEV wheels wrapped in imposing 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler MT tires, additional reinforced skid plates, and AEV steel bumpers. This edition stands 1.5 inches taller than the regular AT4X, offering a total of 12.2 inches of ground clearance. The price of the 2024 GMC Canyon starts at $37,595 and can go up to $65,995 depending on the trim and options. Every 2024 GMC Canyon is powered by a 310 HP turbocharged 2.7-liter inline-4 engine with 430 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive is standard, but we strongly recommend opting for the available 4-wheel drive. This configuration provides the Canyon with more power and torque than the V6 powertrains found in the Honda Ridgeline, Jeep Gladiator, and Toyota Tacoma. Unfortunately, like the Chevy Colorado, the Canyon no longer offers the Duramax diesel option. The Canyon features nicely weighted steering and a firm brake pedal, complementing its solid-feeling chassis. In 2019, we called the previous generation of GM mid-size pickups the best driving body-on-frame vehicles on sale today, and the new models have only improved. Trail crawling in the AT4X AEV edition is a true adventure, free from excessive road or tire noise on the highways that lead to your favorite trailheads. Although we haven't tested the new Canyon yet, we expect it to achieve 60 miles per hour in just over 6.0 seconds. GMC has introduced much-needed technology to the interior of the 2024 Canyon. Available features include underbody cameras, a head-up display, and a complete cabin redesign similar to the new interior of the Chevy Colorado. A new digital gauge cluster is positioned behind the redesigned steering wheel, and the gear shifter is now closer to the passenger side of the cab, making room for the drive mode selection knob. GMC has also relocated the cup holders to a deeper cubby, more accessible to both the driver and passenger. The AT4X trim comes standard with a head-up display and a premium 7-speaker Bose audio system. The Elevation and AT4 trims feature an 8.0-inch digital gauge cluster, while the Denali and AT4X trims are equipped with a larger 11.0-inch display. Dear viewers, we ask you to subscribe to our channel, like the videos, and give feedback so that these types of videos are broadcasted on our channel more often. Thank you for your support to our channel.